Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my delicious stir-fry steak. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, you need to slice your meat, and to do this, you need a perfect knife. Here, I'll be using the Porden knife. This is precise, it is sharp, and it gets the job done without any hassle. So, if you want to check it out, you can check the link in my description box, and it's also been pinned to the first comment. So I've got my beef over here. This is about 700 grams. I'll go ahead and cut it into slices. The slices should be about half a centimeter thick. Come in with some soy sauce, enough ginger powder. I'll also be using this Maki barbecue seasoning, my favorite seasoning, curry powder, some white pepper, some garlic powder, my favorite Thai seasoning. Made with my hands, and I'll mix everything up to help distribute the seasoning evenly. I'll set this aside for about 1 hour. Pan on fire and come in with some oil. When the oil is hot enough, I'll chop some garlic and throw it in the oil. I'll let this fry for about 30 seconds. Don't forget we're doing this on medium to high flame. After which I'll come in with my seasoned steak. I'll fry one side for about a minute, then flip them over and get the other side as well. Now I'll cover this up and let it keep frying for about 4 more minutes. After which I'll come in with a little bit of water. I'll add a teaspoonful of cornstarch to help thicken up the sauce. Next, I'll chop some green pepper and throw them in. Some red onions as well. This will add some extra flavor. And this is optional, but I'll come in with some sweet corn. I'll give this a quick stir and put the flame on medium and let this cook for about 5 more minutes. I'll come in with some extra soy sauce. Yes, this is ready, and I bet you definitely need to give this a try. This goes well with rice, with potatoes, with couscous, whatever you choose to eat this with. It's definitely gonna be superb. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.